post this, so happy day. How's that? So I wanted to talk a little bit about being a babysitter. So before I was in behavior, I was a kindergarten teacher. And when I say that, people go, oh, that's a hard job. And then I would finish the statement. I would say, I was a kindergarten teacher for 10 years in a child care setting. So they go from oh to oh. Like I would lose some recognition or some, I don't know, that they would think, oh, that doesn't really count. Well, I think that teachers everywhere, whether in childcare, in preschool, in parochial schools, in private schools, in public schools, all get paid too little. And the younger the kids, the less likely we are to be called babysitters, right? So I taught kindergarten, and it was actual kindergarten because I live in New Hampshire and there wasn't full day kindergarten. So the kids would go half day to public school and half day with us, either morning or afternoon. We had a wraparound school. So we were responsible for all the things that a kindergarten teacher would be responsible for. It just also happened to be in a building with older and younger preschool, toddlers, and infants. So we got called babysitters a lot. And I got thinking about it. I've seen a post before. When I saw the post, and it's called babysitter math, right? We're going to do it right now. But when I saw the babysitter math post, I was like, no, I've been doing that for years. I've been doing that math. I do it at workshops when I talk to teachers of young children because we get called babysitters. And I said, you know what? Then tell the parents to pay us like a babysitter because babysitters get paid a lot of money. So here we go. You guys ready? So when I taught kindergarten, I was allowed to have, and this might be backwards, guys. The math might be backwards. I'm going to say it out loud, so I hope it works. I don't know how to make it the other way. You think I can make it a mirror image? Oh my gosh, my squirrels just have a headache thinking of that. So when I taught kindergarten, the ratio, I was allowed to have 12 kids. And a babysitter nowadays gets paid about $20. And I'm doing old school math, guys. Old school math. Wait, I better write this up higher because it's a lot. So I could have 12 children. I made $20 an hour. Remember, I'm going to be 44 next Friday, so I'm doing math like old school math. So it was, right? I should have made a babysitter, right? You get paid per child, right? Because they're all from different families. And I could have 12 kids, and each family's going to pay me $20. I could make $240 per hour, right? That's not a 1. It's like a backslash. What? How many? Oh my gosh, we'd be like lawyers. Actually, lawyers make double that. Blech. So now I work, right? 8 hours a day. Oh gosh, guys, you're going to see my math skills here. 3, 16, 19. I'd make $1,920 a day. Okay, so then I work 5 days a week, right? I'm going to have to make this smaller. It's going to go all the way down. Is 6, 4, 9. I'd make $9,600 a week. Okay, how many weeks in a month? It's actually 4.3, but we're just going to go 4 because the 0.3 makes my brain hurt. So 4, right? 4 weeks per month. 4, 2, 54, 5, 56. I did the math down here just to make sure that I wasn't embarrassed if I got the answers wrong. Per month. And then, oh, you can't see. Wait, what if I back it up? You see it now? No, that's too hard. So now we're gonna start over, guys. So it's $56,400 a month. I should have wrote smaller. So you get $56,400 per month. And we'll say I worked 12 months a year. But we're going to say 10 months. Because say you're a teacher of young children and you teach kindergarten in a private school or a public school or you teach first grade. We still get called babysitters then. Even second grade, third grade. So 10 right? We worked 10 months. Guys, I want to know if you were a teacher of any children, infants, toddlers, preschool, kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, even into college. Does anybody make $564,000 a year? For 12 kids, remember guys, 12 kids, this is for 12 children. For 12 children, because that's the ratio, I'm only allowed 12 children. So, in my workshops, when I'm like, guys, and everybody's like, oh my gosh, what would I do with, that's more than $500,000 for 12 kids. I think that would help. I think it would still be hard. I'm not saying it's not hard because money doesn't fix everything or, right, bring happiness. I get that. But I think it would be better. So I always say, if anybody calls you a babysitter or treats you like a babysitter, you know what you're going to say now? Oh, pay up. Because I think we make $500,000 less than that. When I taught kindergarten in the child care setting, I think I made $30,000 a year, maybe. So I made $534,000 less than this. Yet I could be by myself with 12, but sometimes we had 22 to 25, and we were an outdoor school that was very, did not have stickers, tokens, tickets, clips, points, Pinterest strategies. So we had a lot of the hard kids, right? A lot of challenging behaviors because we were nature-based, we were outside. Kids are less likely to bounce off walls if there aren't any. So we were the go-to school. And I made $534,000 less than this, but did this job. I did, right? I worked with 12 kids for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, 10 months a year, 4 weeks a month, 10 months a year. So what if you did 12? That's another $112,000. So add that to that, that's $676,000 about. So guys, I want you all to know I love you so much. Any sort of teacher out there, whether you teach little kids, big kids, in between kids, it's hard. It's hard out there, guys. It's really hard. I want you to know you're worth this. You're worth more than this. And I wish someone somewhere out there would be able to figure it out. But until then, if you get called a babysitter, try to flip your brain into being like, ooh, they owe me a lot of money. And right? So I love you guys. I'm sorry that it's hard. It is hard. And it's really hard and it stinks. And if you need someone to vent to lean on, to catch you while you're falling, I'm here. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.